Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start learn. You are watching my spoken English practice series. I am here again with new spoken English practice video. So after too much thinking, I decided a topic to speak in this video, and today I decide that I want to share with you my travel dreams and travel experiences. So let's start. So today I want to share my travel experiences. I don't have lot of travel experiences, but I traveled some places. I traveled some places for my exams and conferences. So I went to the Gujarat, and in Gujarat I explored Datiwada Dam, and this is a broad dam, and where I feel peace and where I feel peace, blue water and blue sky. I feel happy, confident and calm. So after Datiwada Dam, I also explore National Biological Museum. I don't know actual name of that, but yeah, in the Gujarat state I explore because I went to the conference in a university. So after completing my conference, I explored these places. So after that, I went Jodhpur, and in that place, I also went for a conference. But it means me and my seniors explore Mandore Garden and Machia Safari Park. So both the places are very wonderful and peaceful places. So in Machia Safari Park, I saw so many animals, and I feel connected with nature. I feel peace. I feel very confident and calm. So these are my travel experiences, because I don't have so many travel experiences, but I have so many travel dreams, because I want to travel and I want to explore, first of all my district, after that my state, and after that my country, and all over the world. So I have so many travel dreams, but I believe that it will be complete one by one day. But for now, I want to travel first of all my district. So I live in Jaipur district, and I belong to village area. That's why I didn't explore any places. But now I have dream to explore Jaipur. In Jaipur, so many places are there to visit, to explore, like Hawa Mahal, City Place, Jantar Mantar, Albert Hall, and Nargad. So many places are there in Jaipur district. So after Jaipur, I want to travel Udaipur, because in Udaipur, because you know that Udaipur is a lake of city of lakes. So I want to explore Udaipur, and in Udaipur so many lakes are there. And after Udaipur, I want to travel Jaisalmer, because I love desert and I love camel safari. I want to see Jaisalmer fort, and so many things are there. And after that, not after that, uh, my biggest dream for now, that is Shimla and Manali, because I don't have ever snowfall in my life. So I want to see that things, and I want to enjoy mountains, I want to enjoy nature, I want to feel more confident, because every places teach us something new things, and every small trip gives me big lesson. So if I travel and if I explore these places, then I think that I would be better, and I would be confident, I would be understand so many things.